citrusy, herby, and filled with immune boosting properties is what you get with this Tom Yum Goong recipe. Hi guys, I'm Renee Fuentes and welcome back to my channel, Thai Caliente. So we are going to be making Tom Yum Goong, which is a Thai kind of hot and sour shrimp soup. I have a recipe for Tom Yum Gai, which is made with chicken. Basically, we're just swapping out the proteins, but I'm just going to show you how to cook the shrimp correctly so it doesn't get overcooked and rubbery. The soup is perfect for the winter time. It has lots of immune boosting properties. So let's get started.
So these are some Thai bird's eye chili. Essentially, I'm just using it to give the soup some flavor. You can chop them up if you want the spice, but I'm just going to use the back of a knife and bruise the chili just so it can release some of the aroma. And these are some makut lime leaves. If you've watched my videos, you know that I have a giant tree in my backyard. You can find these at some Asian stores or you can get them dried online. But again, I'm just using the back of my knife and bruising it to release the oils from the leaves and the aroma. They have a nice citrusy aroma. So this is some lemongrass stock from my garden as well. Normally if you get lemongrass from the store, the stock will be a lot thicker. I think my pot might be a little too small, which is why the lemongrass is small. But if you get it from the store, just use one big stock and you can cut it up and again, pound it with the back of the knife to release the oils and aroma. Now we're going to add 5 cups of water, and this is essentially going to be our soup stock. We don't need any other flavoring, but I am going to add some salt. Start with half a teaspoon and always have more on hand to add more later. And this is a yellow onion that I've just sliced thinly and a Roma tomato that I've sliced into chunks. Go ahead and add a bunch of cilantro. I also tied it up together because we are going to remove it once the soup is done, and then you can add some fresh cilantro leaves later. So this has been boiling for about 10 minutes here. You kind of want the onions to get softened and all of the aromatics to flavor the soup. You can kind of see here the color changed a little bit. Now I'm going to add some sliced white mushrooms. You can also do some beach mushrooms. Then I'm going to add some fish sauce. Again, have more on hand, as well as lime juice from 2 whole limes. And again, you want to taste it and see if it needs more lime juice or fish sauce. So as I mentioned, we're going to remove the cilantro stems. We can add some fresh cilantro leaves before serving. So this is the part you want to make sure you do. Turn off the heat and then add your shrimp in. This should still be very hot, and it should still be hot enough to poach the shrimp. And at this point, the tom yum is done. I forgot to record, but I added a spoon of this chili garlic oil. If you have any type of chili oil that you like, it gives it some hot flavor and a little bit of color. So go ahead and ladle your soup. You can serve it as a meal with some jasmine rice or as an accompaniment to another Thai meal. Garnish with some fresh cilantro leaves and enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Leave me any comments or questions below, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time.